This video, I'll explain how to fix the "not enough money" error on MT5. This message usually appears when you try to open a trade without having enough funds in your account for that specific position. For example, after tapping the trade button, selecting the plus icon, and attempting to place a buy order, you might see a warning saying, "not enough money." The reason behind this is that each trading instrument has its own minimum margin requirement. Some assets, like currency pairs, can often be traded with a small balance, sometimes just a few dollars. On the other hand, assets such as Nasdaq, gold, or volatility indices typically require a much higher amount to open a position. To solve this issue, you need to ensure your account balance meets the minimum requirement for the asset you're trading. You can either deposit more funds or choose an instrument with lower margin requirements. It's also a good idea to review the trading specifications for each asset before placing an order, so you know exactly how much is needed. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content.